New music, Indie Ground, Indie Ground.
Don't let this pretty smile fool ya. I'm a killer, but I keep it pretty.
New OPM, Indie Ground PH.
Ipakita ang iyong ganda ng ngiti. Mamahalin pa rin ka.
My 20th century girl.
Manila's hottest radio station makes way for songs by talented independent bands and artists. Get introduced to some of the most promising names in original Filipino music. Future legends. This is Indie Ground. Indie Ground. If you're an unsigned artist, let the Monster give you or your band that much-deserved radio airplay. Submit your original songs now by visiting facebook.com/indiegroundph. Facebook.com/indiegroundph.
Need your love instead, make me feel it.
The Monster believes in the future of OPM. Indie Ground, only on Manila's hottest Monster. RX 93.1. Education is the way to move mountains, to build bridges, to change the world. Oprah Winfrey. The search for the Monster Scholar is back. If you or anyone you know is in need of financial aid for the upcoming semester, email your application to scholar@rx931.com. Scholar@rx931.com. Tell us why we should choose you or your loved one to be the next Monster Scholar.
Kahit feeling mo, physically napapagod ka na, you're burnt out, sa thesis man yan, or sa OJT, or whatever ACADS, lagi mo sasabihin sa sarili mo na, kaya mo pa yan, laban lang. Tsaka pangarap mo yan eh. Huwag nating susukuan yung pangarap natin.
Nahihirapan naman kayo sa sitwasyon nyo bilang estudyante ng mga maraming pagsubok. Kailangan tatagan nyo lang yung loob nyo. I-push nyo lang po yung sarili nyo kasi pag natulungan nyo yung sarili nyo, matutulungan nyo na rin yung pamilya nyo.
The search for the Monster Scholar Batch 22. Open to all college students for the first semester of school year 2024 to 2025. From the station that believes in the power of education. Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1. Monster K-Pop Weekly. They're back. Monster K-Pop Weekly.
Back it.